AI Cut Photo BG Remover is an Android application designed to help users remove backgrounds from images effortlessly. Utilizing advanced artificial intelligence technology, this app allows users to isolate subjects in their photos quickly, making it easy to create transparent backgrounds or replace them with new ones. With a user-friendly interface, AI Cut Photo typically offers features such as automatic background detection and removal, manual editing tools for refining the cutout, and options to add new backgrounds or effects. This makes it suitable for various purposes, such as creating professional-looking product images, social media graphics, or personalized visuals. Additionally, the app may support a variety of image formats and provide tools for resizing and adjusting images after the background has been removed. Overall, AI Cut Photo BG Remover serves as a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their images and improve their visual content without needing advanced photo editing skills.